It's the middle of the night and I'm hungry. I could try out these blueberry muffins, and they're vegan, and I might just make a video on it. Or I could add these Rubicon Bakers Bake a Better World Vegan Neapolitan.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
The cupcakes, handcrafted. Okay, so let's open them up. Okay, that worked. Now you're probably saying, what man would eat this delicious pink frosted with little chocolates muffin? Well, I'm doing it. Okay, a little difficult to get out. Frosting tastes delicious. The thing is, how do you eat this thing without getting this on your nose? Oh look, and it's even got a creamy white filling inside. Anyway. Let's take a look what the damages are. Servings, there's 4 serving size. One cupcake is 71 grams. The amount of calories is 300. Fat is 150, so like half. Total fat is 17 grams. Cholesterol 0, sodium 210, not bad for a dessert. Total carb 39 grams, 1 fiber, 28 sugars, 2 proteins. It has calcium, iron, and vitamin D. There's a lot of ingredients to it, so I'll put that on the slides, or you've already seen it by now. Something to think about. Midnight snack, 300 calories. Well, it's probably all sugar, so that's probably the reason. Thanks for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.